Hi there. Question 7. In which of the following compounds do the ions have the same electron arrangement? You may wish to use the data book to help you. Well, in this first one, we have 2 sodiums and they are electron arrangement 281. 281, 281, except that they've lost that outer one because they've given that to the oxygen. Maybe I'll just put it back in again and I'll show you what I mean. So over here we've got the oxygen, which is 26. But these outermost electrons, they get added in, so it's really oxygen 2,8, and the oxygen will have a little 2 minus because it's got 2 extra electrons, and these will be sodium plus because they've lost one of their electrons. So the oxygen has an electron arrangement of 2,8 with 2 extra, and the sodiums have an electron arrangement of 2,8 because they lost that outer one. So we don't have to go through all of these. It turns out it's the first one, which is very useful. There you go. A. Question 8. Several conductivity experiments were carried out using the apparatus below. Identify the experiment in which the bulb would light. Solid copper sulfate, that's a no because ionic compounds don't conduct electricity when they're solid. Copper chloride solution, that's a yes because ionic compounds do conduct electricity when they are in solution. Solid potassium nitrate, that's a no because again ionic compounds don't conduct when they're solid. Sodium chloride solution, that's a yes. Liquid mercury, that's a yes. Molten sodium chloride, that's a yes because ionic compound and it's a liquid. Looks like we've got a winner. Nickel bromide solution, that's a yes. Liquid hexane, that's a no because hexane is covalent. It's one of those little hydrocarbons with 6. So that's six of those. So it's not ionic, it's covalent, and it doesn't carry any charges. So it looks like we've got a winner, and it's B. Question 9. Lime water. Lime water can be made by dissolving calcium hydroxide in water. Which of the following terms correctly describes calcium hydroxide? It is a solute, the thing that dissolves, and you've just got to remember that. Question 10. Ammonium nitrate has a gram formula mass of 80. The percentage by mass of nitrogen in ammonium nitrate is equal to... right, so there are 2 nitrogens in the ammonium nitrate, and nitrogen has a relative atomic mass of 14, which I can find in here if I can find nitrogen. Nitrogen 14, there it is. So there's going to be 2 14s, which is the 28. It's going to be divided by 80 times 100. And if you forget how to find this percentage by mass thing, there is a bit of a clue in the formula page. percentage by mass. The mass of the amount divided by the gram formula mass times 100. So the mass of the amount, which is the 2 nitrogens, 28, over the gram formula mass times 100. So the answer is B. As an alkane solution, question 11, as an alkane solution is diluted with water, the concentration of the hydroxide ions decreases because more water is being added, so the concentration of the hydroxide is going down. So I am going to tick D. Question 12. Which of the following compounds is a base? Well, if you get a metal oxide, it's, you know, an alkali metal, especially an alkali metal oxide, it's going to be alkali. So you're looking for a metal oxide, such as that one, sodium oxide. So sodium oxide is a base. Calcium chloride is an ionic compound. Potassium nitrate is an ionic compound, and ammonia sulfate is well, it's going to be acidic, I think, or is it? I'm not sure, but it's not a base. It's a non-metal sulfate. Thanks for watching. Bye.